In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the Dyno bot and set it up and actually use it on the Discord mobile. Now, it's really easy to do. So as you can see, currently I'm on my Discord server, and if I just want to add the bot, currently I don't even have it, you just want to go over to your web browser and you actually just want to type in dyno.gg. Now, once you type that in, it will be brought you to this website like so. Now, from here, you just want to scroll down, click on add to server option, or from here, we want to skip down past all of this, yada yada, and we actually want to find the option that is called add to server. Now once you actually add it to server, it will bring you connected to your Discord. Once you log in, like I already have, you can actually select the server you want to add it to. In this case, I'm just going to add it to the server right here. Click on continue, and you want to give it access to all of these boxes like so. Now if you don't want any, you can always uncheck them, but then you click on authoritize from here, and once you do that, basically you just want to pick your time zone. This is the final thing so that you can actually set it up. Click on where you actually want this to be added to your server, general for me, then you click on done, and now the bot is in the server. But if we want to actually automate it and use this bot, so the first thing we want to do is we're going to do automate so that people cannot invite just anyone to the server. You go to settings down here, click on create a rule, and you can actually name the rule, but you can name it anything. Then depending on the rule you want, you can actually choose all caps to be banned, bad words, clearing, news, emoji spam, fast message spamming. These are all the red flags that you can actually have this bot actually flag so that you don't have to do it for them. People can actually get a strike if they do any of these things. In this case, if I want to do emoji spam, for example, you can actually choose any of these. You can actually choose the amount of emojis that max people can use. They can use 4 emojis max in one message. Or if they spam them multiple messages, then they'll be blocked. And it's the same for all these other categories up here. Now, when we go down here, you can actually choose what happens when this. Now you can either choose warn, delete the messages, or delete them from the server, or auto ban. Just be careful because you do not want people to get banned if this is a first time warning. But once you do that, you can actually select the amount of time you want someone to be auto banned, whether it be 5 minutes, 1 minute, 1 hour, or even like 1,000 minutes if you wanted that for some reason. And you can actually choose the type of ban you want to do and click on create rule. You can basically do this as many times as you would like in this server. As you can see, this is my rule right here. You click on create rule again. You can name the rule again. Let me just say, pick the rule type first. I'll say bad words, and then I'm going to rename this bad word at the top. Now, you can actually choose what the characters and the words that are bad they can actually be blocked for. Let me say if they say dog, for example, then that will be a warning or a ban or a timeout on the server. And you can actually choose any other words you want to down here that are 3 characters long at least. And so you can sort of create as many rules as you want. And when you click on create, you can see the rules are right here. And if you want to delete them, you click on delete. And as when you go back to your server, this will be in effect.